The cutest Halloween dessert bars.
Of course, they would be hammering when I'm recording. Hammering. I can't wait for them to be done. All right, now that we got it nice and pressed down. I mean, you can't tell me that filling does not look good. Look at them vanilla beans. Let's get a little closer, shall we? I can't wait for them to be done. This is like week 3 now, I think. Let's get up close and personal here. Oh, snaps. This thing comes in handy. Nuts. Okay, there we go. Time to bake. Always be hammering when I'm trying to record. Let's cut this. I mean, y'all can't tell me that don't look good. Look at that nice, clean cut with a hot knife. Frozen, that's key. Let's decorate.